Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Latif, and you're watching my channel Moon Triple Three, where I am posting the different trading ideas and different assets. And the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Today I'm gonna give you some updates on the Pundi X or on the NPXS. Previously, I posted this chart on NPXS, and this was, I think, the 4-day chart, yes. And on this chart, the price action completed the formation of a bullish crab pattern, and so far we can see the price action is moving at the bottom of the potential reversal zone of this pattern. Now we have some more developments and the pattern is bit changed, even though this is also a valid pattern. First, I'm going to take you to the live chart of Pundi X. This will be the 7-day chart, NPXS US dollar Tether. I'm just taking you to the Bittrex chart because this is the most oldest chart of Pundi X. Right now you can see we are on the week chart, and since December 2018 up to June 2019 we can see that the price action was moving within an up channel, and this was the channel, this was the resistance of the channel, and this was the support of this channel. Right, in those days, the traders were earning very easy money. Like they were buying at the support of the channel, like this here, and sell at the top or resistance of the channel, and again buying at the support of the channel, sell at the resistance of the channel, and again buy at the support of the channel, and sold at the resistance of the channel. But here, since July 2019, we can see that the price action broke down the support of this channel. And most of the people disappointed due to this long bearish trend we have been facing since July 2019 up to October 2019. And most of the people were saying, even on my videos comments, that the NPXS is a kind of scam. Despite their strong team, the competitive team, and their strong projects, the people were saying that the NPXS is nothing, is going to touch zero now. But if we see some more developments, then first I'm just taking you to the day chart. In the meanwhile, when the NPXS was forming this long bear leg, if we see the Ichimoku cloud on day chart, then we can see after more than 4 months, the cloud is turning bullish now. Here we can see in the month of July 2019, it was turned bearish, and now after more than 4 months, it is turning bullish. Even the lagging span, I'm just making it more prominent so you can see the lagging span of this Ichimoku cloud. Now you can see this is a lagging span, and here we can see here on Yes, here. On 27th of October, the lagging span attempted to cross up the price line. Once the lagging span will be crossed up this price line, then the price action will turn strong bullish and the cloud will be strong bullish. We can see at that time the cloud will be like this or more powerful than this. All right, if we see back to the week chart, the different oscillators and indicators, like for example, if we see first the RSI, which is the oscillator, and here we can see since September 2019, the RSI is entered in the oversold zone. And if we see the chop zone, then chop zone was turned strong bearish since August 2019 up to October 2019. Now it is turned weak bearish again. So this is another indication that the price action will be turned bullish soon. And if we see the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence indicator, and here we can see since August 2019, it was also turned weak bearish from strong bearish, but I am waiting for this fast length, this blue one is the fast length, to cross up this slow length. This yellow one is the slow length. Once this fast length will cross up this yellow or slow length, then it will be strong bullish. Then we can see how the price action will move up and take the bullish divergence. And I am watching that the Pundi X can be one of the coin which will give the biggest profits in 2020 or 2021 among all the cryptocurrencies. All right. Now, the most powerful development we have after this spike is now the price action has completed the formation of bullish butterfly and the leg is started from here now. This is the initial leg, and after initial leg the A to B leg is retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci as required for the bullish butterfly pattern, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. Now we needed the retracement, the final leg retracement up to between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action is retraced up to 1.376 Fibonacci. So this retracement is between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So here the bullish butterfly pattern, the textbook bullish butterfly pattern is completed, and almost this is our potential reversal zone. Now we can set our sell targets, which should be the Fibonacci projection between 0.382. I'm just placing the Fibonacci tool between 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. This can be our potential sell zone according to this bullish butterfly pattern, and this is the projection area of A to D leg. Starts from here and ends up to here. This is the volatility of the NPXS or any coin which forms these harmonic patterns. For example, here we can see after moving up or down and moving up or down, the price action has completed the formation of bullish butterfly pattern, so it has the power to move up again. People are saying that it won't move up from here, it will go down to zero, or some people are saying that this is scam. If the coin has the power to move up and move down and move up and move down, and it is forming the harmonic patterns, so it will follow the nature. This is the nature. The harmonic patterns are uh, created by the natures, by the power or by the supply and demand rules of the humans. So if we have, we are seeing that the price action has completed the formation of this harmonic pattern, uh, and according to the textbook rules of the bullish butterfly pattern, it is perfect. So it will be moved up from here and hit this sell zone. So we shouldn't be worried about that the price action will not move up. So once it has completed a certain harmonic pattern, it will be definitely moved up. So so far I didn't publish the chart on the Tradingview. Soon in a short while I'm gonna post the chart on the Tradingview. Then you can follow the link I will post in the video's description to find the buying and the sell targets according to this bullish butterfly pattern. Hope you have liked the video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Take care. Goodbye.